How to get better hyperoptic speeds and internet connection. So this is a tip for those of you who have hyperoptic as your internet provider. First of all, you want to go to your Wi-Fi, whether that's on your mobile device or your laptops. Similar thing if you're on like a Microsoft laptop. This is just for an example here on my MacBook laptop. You want to go to the Wi-Fi, whether that's click in the top right hand corner where the little Wi-Fi icon is. Just go to your Wi-Fi settings there. Once you're there, you will see Hyperoptic give you two different options. The first one is 2.5 gigahertz. That's going to give you better connectivity if you're, let's say you're using your laptop and there are like 2 or 3 different rooms in between where your laptop is and where your router is. That's going to give you better connectivity. So if your internet keeps dropping, that might be the better one. But the 5 gigahertz one is going to give you better internet speed. That will be the case if your laptop is right next to the router. But if there are multiple rooms, maybe it's better to use 2.5 gigahertz. If you just want the best speed and you're right next to it, 5 gigahertz is better. But honestly, switch between them, whatever your issue is, whether it's internet speed. If that's the case, maybe go with 5 gigahertz. If not, and the issue you have is your connectivity keeps on dropping, then maybe try 2.4. So go back and forth between them. That could solve your issues. So leave a like on the video if that helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.